Hey guys, so today's video is going to be on how to make these amazing snickerdoodle cookies. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and go follow me on Instagram, which will be linked in the description along with the original recipe link for this video. So the first step you want to do is start by mixing all of your dry ingredients into a medium-sized bowl and whisk till combined. Also, this recipe that I'm showing you guys is actually half of the original recipe, so in the description will be the actual full recipe for the cookies, but you can have the recipe because it does make a lot of cookies. Next, you just want to cream together your butter and your sugar in a medium-sized bowl until it's all thoroughly mixed for around 2 to 3 minutes. Now you just want to add your egg and vanilla extract and mix this until combined. Next, you want to add all of your dry mixture to the wet, and you're just going to mix this together until it's all combined and there are no dry spots. Now, when you are doing this, the mixture is going to be like really crumbly, and I was very confused at first. But once you have it mixed, you can just go in with your hands to form it into a dough, which you guys will see in a little bit. Now you just want to form your cookie dough into little balls, and then we're going to roll this in the cinnamon sugar mixture and set this on a lined baking sheet around 2 inches apart from the rest of the cookies so they don't stick together when they start spreading apart in the oven. Now you just want to put the cookies in the oven at 350 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. Once they're done, just set them aside to cool and then you can enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up before you go and subscribe to my channel. Also, go follow me on my Instagram, which will be linked in the description, along with the original recipe link for this video. Unfortunately, though, I did forget to film the after of the cookies with my camera and show you the inside and stuff. I'm really sorry. I was filming with 2 different cameras, so this is why I even have the footage on my phone. but I think you guys can see what they are. They're very good. I hope you guys try them out because it's very easy and simple, and most people have these ingredients just lying around in their house anyway, so if you have a craving for cookies, you can just mix these up really quickly. But anyway, I'm gonna end the video off here. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next week with my next video. Bye!